Rock Pat here. Alright guys, it's another hot rocking day in the jungle. And what you're looking at is an empty floor because LeeRoy is sitting outdoors. It's a little chilly today. And I am happy to say that LeeRoy is a driving car. Got the back window in. That was a little bit of fun. But it is in there. And yeah, that makes me happy. Let's see, what else did I do? New taillights. Had to modify the original housing to make 2 bulbs instead of just 1. Because the original taillights have a white spot down here for a backup light, I guess, that never had a backup light in there. I don't know why it was like that instead of just all red. But there it is. Custom taillights. We got battery mounted in the trunk. New cables routed forward all the way to the front, and a ground one going over to the frame. Then a ground coming from the frame up to the engine. Blah blah blah. Right? You know the story. Got the floor pour 15. Didn't do the rest of it. I'll get back to that. That wasn't what we were wholeheartedly after. Let's see, what else did we get? The front got new park lamps, so that we got the parky lamps. I did a little bit of polishing on the grill. It's far from perfect, believe me, but I only sandpapered that for a little bit and haven't done anything to that, so I think it looks pretty good. That piece right there I found in the trunk, and it was better than the one that was on here. I've got the insert coming for it. Eagle gets to go for a ride and looks, you know, I mean, just think, you're the Eagle. I mean, how'd you like to be that dude with that view, right? I mean, you just, yeah, you got the view, man. You got the view. All right, man. So, what else did we do? Corvette mirror. That's just kind of taped on the side of it. I don't think it's gonna fall off. It didn't fall off yet. I don't know. We'll find out. Interior. Let's take a look at the interior. Nothing beautiful, just cleaned up and made better. The speakers are kind of not where I really wanted them, but that's where they had to go because of the trunk hinge and everything like that. But yeah, that's what we're going for here. I don't know. It's better. It's much better than what it was. Got the roof done, put the trim in. So yeah, got that trim. That was a lot of work there on those armrest deals for the along the windows there, all the way back, because that chrome was a pain in the ass to peel what was there off and grind and blah blah blah. But anyway, got that done. Put a little of the garnish molding. But yeah, that's what we're doing. I'm still gonna paint that to match that, or I might paint that to match these. That's what I probably might do, is paint that to match these, and then that, the vinyl, with the vinyl paint, because that's actually vinyl paint there. All right, guys. Well, we are 3 minutes and 55 seconds into this deal. Why don't I mount y'all right there on the windshield, and let's go take LeeRoy for a little ride. I don't know how long this video is going to be, but I put a camera mount up in here so we can go for a ride. Because it is Labor Day, and we are not laboring. We are rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. How's that view for you guys? Y'all like that? Get y'all all set up here. Hi, Jackie. How you doing, girl? Alright. Alright, well, let's go for a little ride. Woo! LeeRoy! Oh, did I mention I threw some carpet down, too? Yeah, I threw some carpet down. That was carpet, that carpet that you saw on the floor came out of that El Camino. Oh, I went to reach for a seatbelt in this car. I don't have one. That El Camino that I sold to the junkyard. had that carpet in there, and it was brand new, and so I chopped it up to fit in here, and the other pieces in the little white truck. I was messing with the carburetor, so probably got a little bit of gas down now, huh? LeeRoy ain't got no pipe. He just got open pipes. We got to get some exhaust on him, and I still don't have power steering yet either. But that's all right. We can still ride. And I still got a little bit of tire rub, so I got to be a little careful. LeeRoy! Yeah, see right there, I'm getting a little rub. Tune up concrete. Tearing up some tires. Well, I hope you've enjoyed your hot rodding adventure today on this beautiful Texas Labor Day weekend. And as always, thanks for flying Rocket Pad Airways. Please stay seated until we stop moving and we get to the gate. Because you never know